Model, 66-plate Nissan NV200 Combi factory-fitted crew cab Acenta 5-seat 1.5 dCi 89PS ULEZ Euro 6 full service history. Very nice bargain. Starstruck. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 83,027. MOT, the 13th of November 2024. Engine, 1461 cc K9 bhp, E6B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. No warning lights on the dash, just had full service including full cambelt kit, this is ready to go, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, full service history, air con, reversing camera, cruise control, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,750 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.